this is Nathan from HostCo. Today I am gonna show you how you can install WordPress on your website. At first, log into your cPanel. Then search for Softaculous. Then select WordPress. Click on Install Now. If you want to install WordPress on a directory, then you can put the directory name. Otherwise, if you want to install WordPress on your home page, then you can leave this blank. Select your site name and site description. Then set your admin username and password. Let's change this default password. Then enter your admin email. Make sure it's a valid email so you can further reset your password. Then simply click on install. It will take few minutes to install WordPress on your website. Yeah, this is installed. If you want to visit the blog, then you can click on it. And if you want to access the admin area, then you can open this link. This is the admin dashboard. You can write your first blog post from there. So let's write a blog post. Then click on publish. Yeah, this has been successfully published. If you go to your blog homepage, then you can see all of your posts. Thanks for watching.